Here we are at 78 Carriage, where comfort, style, and smart upgrades meet the Southern California lifestyle and the wonderful community of Foothill Ranch. I love this area. My name is Tim Morissette. Let's go take a look inside. This home has been tastefully remodeled and beautifully maintained with over $200,000 in thoughtful upgrades. Inside, you'll find a fully remodeled kitchen featuring stainless steel GE Café appliances, remodeled bathrooms, plantation shutters throughout, new carpeting, and luxury vinyl. Movie nights will never be the same with a family room built for entertainment. You'll enjoy your 4K OLED TV and POLK surround system. Efficiency meets comfort with a whole house fan, a PEX repipe, Energy Star vinyl windows, and a Trane AC system. When it's time to relax, step outside to your backyard retreat, featuring a built-in barbecue, bar, pebble-tech spa, and professionally landscaped. Oh, and also, there's a view. This isn't just a home, it's a home that has every detail that you're looking for. I'm Tim Morissette. If you like the house, give us a call, and we'll see you soon.